Hi everyone, back for another video. It's a very long time, but I'm busy. If you can see, it's pretty snowy outside, so I cannot ride. And if you can see in the title, I have bought braided lines for my Z1000. I bought these from racing products. If you can Google, you can find them anywhere. If you type braided lines from HEL. So the reason I did it, if you can see, the bike is already 10 years old, but I rebuilt the brake master cylinder. It's from this brand, a very good company. I rebuilt it. I'm already started. I bleeded it. I'm gonna do the back. Here's a rebuild kit. You can still some washers. With this also I got some washers and everything, bolts. But if you're gonna rebuild it, it's all included. So yeah, I'm gonna try to install them. Let's see how good they are. But first of all, we're gonna bleed the brakes, and I'm fancy. I'm using this, so let's start. I know the system is empty, but for drippage or scratches, I do my best to protect my beautiful paint. Better protection than no protection. So if you can see here, here's the brand new one, here's the old one. And I'm reusing one of these grommets. I'm not sure why they included one. Maybe it's for a different model, but I'm specifically set. It's for 2010 model. No big diggy. We're gonna see if it fits. I'm gonna fiddle with it because it's not really sure. You can see, you can turn this with my hand, so you can turn it a little bit for your needs. So I'm gonna play with it. So you can see, it doesn't fit properly. The original one, it's better. But what I do, I'm using a Scotch Brite. Take your pliers. You can squeeze a little bit, and take a screwdriver with plastic on it. Put it in. And then you can turn it till it fits. Need a little bit more. Our grommet falls. A little bit more and you can play with it till it fits. Look how much nicer they are. I love it. Yeah, I like it a lot. Nice and smooth, no binding. So let's go in the front. So here's the old one, this is the new one. Now we're gonna install them. So that's all sorted. You're installed. I made a very small bracket. I like neat. I'm gonna paint it in the summer and make it loose. It's still a movement inside. And the other side as well. You're installed. I like the carbon look and the black fittings because I have a very nice paint job and I want that the paint pops out and not the brake lines. But that's installed. Now I can put brake fluid in it and bleed them.
Got some static with some niggas on the other side of town. Let my little cousin K roll, he's a rider now. What they want from us motherfucking thug niggas. Used to love niggas, now I plug niggas and slug niggas. Am I wrong? Niggas making songs trying to get with us. Must be gone off stress, we in the west we trust. To the chest I bust, then we ride till the sun come shining back to brighten up the sky. How many die? Heard the Fuji was trying to do me. Look bitch, I cut your face, this ain't no motherfucking movie. Then we watch the other two die slow. Castrated, entertaining at my motherfucking sideshow. Bam, set my plan in mode. Time to exterminate my foes. I can't stand you hoes. Now label this my fucking trick shot. My lyrics running all you cowards out of hip hop. When we ride on our enemies, you can still see my prophecy. Legendary, live eternally. My destiny to overthrow those on top of me. Legendary, live eternally. Bury me in pieces cause they fear we ain't
So guys, this was my small install of my braided lines from HEL. If you can see, it's rock solid. I just looked for the carbon look, because you have seen I have very nice paint job, and I do not want to pop it. That the brake lines, I wanted the purple ones, but I'm thinking, nah, too much is too much. So I hope I have some better weather, and I see you on the next ride, and of course in the next video. Bye.